GoSun Kitchen celebrating fall by pouring cider over our chicken and into ourselves. That was just smashed garlic and a sprig of thyme over some chicken thighs. Look at this beautiful Swiss chard. That color, that red, that green, just gorgeous. Chopped up onion, some minced garlic. Throw a sprig of thyme in there, and if you got some bacon grease laying around, why not toss that in? You want to go ahead and just fill this, really cram this thing full. See that? It's like just stuffed in there. You'll see at the end that totally wilts down, so it's going to be worth your while. Here we're just rendering bacon, chopping potatoes. That's just a simple russet potato. After you render the bacon for about 20 minutes or so, toss your potatoes in here on this side. Let those bake off nice. On this other side, we're just cramming our chicken in there. 20 minutes later, boom! Cider braised chicken, Swiss chard, whiskey cured bacon hash.